Production version of the Honda EV-Cub electric scooter, shown as a concept 2 years ago, is slated for production next year. The announcement came from President and CEO Takahira Hachigo, reconfirming that the company plans to launch a battery-powered scooter next year as part of a growing move toward electric vehicles. He also predicted that by 2030, some 2/3 of the company's cars will be fully electric or plug-in hybrids, and that bikes won't miss out on the technology transfer. We are striving to promote the electrification of commuter models, and we are planning to introduce some new models including an electric scooter in 2018, Hachigo said. We are currently working on the research and development of a highly convenient system for electric commuters, which feature a detachable mobile battery that is easy to replace and/or recharge. We are considering conducting demonstration testing of this mobile battery in collaboration with the Japan Post Co., Limited in Japan.